This is Corfu, the northern tip of Corfu on this side. And on the other side we have Albania, which is where we're going today. Get now, Lydia.
Fourth shot.
This is third shot, Alex. You've got to get this to win, Lydia. This is to win.
Tie.
Oh.
Tied.
Well done, Lydia. You and Alex tied for the victory.
No, she got like 50.
Okay. But are we doing lunch or what are we doing?
Hello, we are in the line for the 10 to 16 and Alex is going to get Mum's purse because she left it.
Do you think I think he'll be in the room by now, won't he? He's in the room by now. We're trying to calculate how long it would take him to get back. Oh, we're starting to move.
And 48 seconds.
Wow, that was very impressive.
How long is that?
That was very impressive.
So right now we're walking to the tender. We just...
Okay, Lydia? Lydia's a bit worried about the fact we're sitting next to the sea.
No, it's just because I don't want to get splashed with water. She doesn't really care about...
Alex decided to live dangerously a bit and get on this side. Thank you. No taxi. No, thank you.
It's a beach.
Kids have to get used to the water being a bit colder. It's okay, guys. I'm gonna go and put the tiles on, and then you can go for a dip. Yeah.
I'm just gonna sit by the end.
So we're just having an hour or so just in Sarande. It was our luck to have a nice sunny day. We haven't had a cloud in the sky since we left Venice. It's been very lucky. The water's nice and smooth and clean here. And the guys are just enjoying a bit of a dip. Don't know what Alex is doing with his shorts there, but just gonna take an hour here. I was just wondering what you were doing. Alex realised he has pants on as well as shorts. What is it, Lydia? Little park, yeah. It's a bit late for that now, Alex. So, ready? I'm gonna go on there.
Just ordered, not dessert yet, so...
What are you having today?
Today I'm having potato lentil soup and I'm having lasagna for me.
Very good. What are you having, Alex, apart from a mess?
Sunrise salad.
Yep, and? Happy birthday to you!
You're not singing?
Happy birthday, dear Stephen! Happy birthday to you! Yay! Yeah. Thanks, Steve.
This is a coffee cake.
Thanks, Steve. After all that hard work, we definitely need a nice hot chocolate.
Classic chocolate.
Yes, that's for me.
Thanks for your
Thank
order,
you.
Miss Linda.
Yes, thank you. I think Alex got a Nutella hot chocolate. Lydia got hot milk. No, she got white chocolate. How is it, Lydia?
It'd be nicer if it was small milk.
Yeah. Okay, I think we're going to say goodnight for now. So tomorrow it's Dubrovnik. Got a bit of a walking tour tomorrow morning. So it's good night from him. And it's good night from her.